Yep. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into Coursera's top cybersecurity courses. Now, whether you're a beginner or looking to land a job in this cybersecurity field, this video will help you find the right course and path, so let's get into it. So let's start at, Coursera offers like a wide range of, cybersecurity programs. So if you want to find cybersecurity programs, you're just gonna look it up here on Coursera themselves, and, a lot of tutorials here, a lot of really good ones. So, these are made by top universities and tech companies. So these courses are, cover everything from basic network security to advanced penetration testing, and many are part of certification tracks or professional certificates. So these are designed to help you launch a career in cybersecurity. Now let's talk about Coursera interface. As you see here, it's very clean. You click at a course, you see the course here, you can enroll here. Courses you can enroll for free. It starts at May 18 and stuff like that. You have all of the lessons down here, so the user face is very nice. You get like video lectures, record readings, hands-on labs, and some quizzes. So progress tracking is very simple, and deadlines are flexible compared to platforms like Udemy. Coursera has a more structured and academic feel, with often with graded assignments per peer reviews. So let's talk about the top cybersecurity courses on Coursera. So let's talk about Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. Wait, we gotta look this up. There we go. We have Google Cybersecurity here. I just click on it actually. So we do have this one. This is the top one. A lot of good reviews on this one. So this is very great for beginners. It includes 8 courses and job ready skills. And we have IBM. So IBM is very popular. Very good. So we have IBM Professional cybersecurity analyst certificate. Now, this is more technical and also teaches SIEM tools, threat intel, and more. And next one, we have Introduction to Cybersecurity by NYU. So that's University of New York. Introduction to Cybersecurity by NYU, New York University. So we have this one. So this one is a high-level course covering key concepts and terminology. So you have instructor, Dr. Edward G. Amoroso. We also have cybersecurity specialization by University of Maryland. This one's pretty good. A lot of people like this one. By wait, where's IBM? I think it's by Maryland. Okay, wait. We're gonna look up Maryland. So it's by University of Maryland. It goes deeper into cryptography. So this goes deeper to cryptography, software security, and hardware. I think it's not here, guys. Oh, I think they removed it. Okay, anyways, we also have alternatives to that. So we have Microsoft Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate. This one's pretty good. It focuses on Microsoft tools and real world scenarios. And let's talk about pricing. You can audit most courses for free without a certificate, or get full access and certification with this Coursera Plus subscription, usually around $59 a month. For professional certificates, most learners finish in about 3 to 6 months, making it a cost-effective path compared to boot camps or degrees. Now, let's talk about, who is it for. Coursera cybersecurity courses are ideal for beginners who want to explore the field with no prior experience, IT professionals pivoting into security roles, and students building a foundation before certification like CompTIA, and also, job seekers wanting hands-on resume-worthy credentials. So let's talk about some alternatives. A lot of good alternatives here. We have Udemy. So this is Udemy here. It's pretty good. I like Udemy. I use Udemy all the time. And Udemy is budget friendly but varies in quality and depth. You also have Try Hack Me. I think this is a pretty good free cybersecurity training. So Try Hack Me is interactive gamified learning for hacking and pen testing. And you also have Cybrary. That's good. That's a cool name. So you have Cybrary here. Focus on certification with real world labs. And you also have, last but not the least, we have Plural Site. So you have Plural Site here. Great for devs and system admins diving into security. Now, my conclusion on Coursera Cybersecurity is if you're looking to break into cybersecurity or level up your skills with university grade content, Coursera offers some of the most respected and beginner friendly options out here. And also with programs from Google, IBM, and Microsoft, you're in good hands. So if this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments which cybersecurity track you're exploring next. So stay out there. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.